Hi Sumates, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make a short kimono dress, and we are going to use this flowered Ankara fabric here for the tutorial. I'm making this dress for myself and I'm so excited, guys. It's been a while I made something for myself. It has just been clients all the way. So today I'm making this kimono short gown for myself. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. If you've already subscribed to this channel, you are also welcome. I upload videos in this channel every Wednesdays and Sundays, so watch out for us. Or you can click on the notification bell so that you will be notified each time we upload a new video. Without taking much of our time, let's go into today's business. If you notice, guys, on my fabric here I have made some vertical lines on my fabric, so I'm just going to run this over just so we'll be clear. So now this is my baseline, this is my bust point line, this is my waistline, this is my hip line, this is the full length of the dress line, and this is my hemming allowance. I took 3 inches for my hemming allowance. So now that we are done with the vertical measurements, I'm going to start by inserting my horizontal measurements. Now on the bust point line, now I am going to divide my bust by 4. So my bust is 40 inches and I'm dividing 40 into 4. That will give us 10. So I'm going to mark 10 inches. Then I'm going to add 1 inch for ease and 1 inch sewing allowance. That will give us 12. So that's my 12. Now on my waistline, I'm going to divide my waist into 2. My waist is 38. Dividing 38 into 2, we are going to get 9.5. So I'm just going to insert my 9.5 inches on my waistline. Then remember our 1 inch ease and 1 inch seam allowance, that will be 2 inches. So I'm just going to add 2 inches to this. Now on my hip measurement, my hip is 44. Dividing 44 into 4, we are going to get 11 inches. 11 inches plus 2 inches for the ease and for the allowance will now give us 13 inches. So I'm going to insert my 13 inches here. So on the full length line here, I'm just going to insert 12 inches. So I took out 1 inch from my hip measurement. Now I'm going to connect the lines. I hope you guys can see this line. So let me just retrace and make the line bold enough for us. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to insert our hand length. You know, this kimono is cut with the hand, so just notice what I'm going to do. My shoulder divided by 2 is 8 inches, which is here, but I want my hand length to be 10 inches. So 10 plus 8 will give us 18. So I'll mark 18 inches here. Then I'm going to add 2 inches for the sleeve hem. That will give me 20 inches. So after that has been achieved, I'm going to come down by 1 inch or 1.5, but let me take 1.5 for our shoulder slope. I'll insert my neckline. I'll take 3.5 neck width and a neck depth of 6 inches. The front is going to be kind of a V, semi V neckline, and the back is just going to be a round neckline. So I'm going to connect. This is for the front. This is for the front neckline, and for the back neckline I'm going to take 1 inch or 1.5 inch. So this is the neckline for the back and this is for the front. Now I'm going to connect our line to our shoulder slope. Don't forget to add your 1/2 inch all the way. This is for your hemming allowance. So you add your 1/2 inch. While cutting, don't forget to cut it out. Now on this point here now, I think I'm just going to shift this because I don't know if you guys can see it now. So on this point, remember I have 20. I'm also going to insert that 20 inches on my bust point here, and I'll mark and connect the lines together like this. So now guys, the next thing to do is on my bust point line here, I'm going to come down by 2 inches. I'm going to mark in my 2 inches here, and I'm going to gradually connect, like smooth in a curve from here to my sleeve. So I'm just going to you see, so just create a slight curve around here, blend it up. So this is what I have. Now with this, we can cut out our kimono dress. We are done with the tutorial, so I'm just going to cut it out and show to you guys. I'm going to add pocket to my kimono dress. So on my waistline here, I'm just going to come down by 1 inch and notch I'll notch it. Then from that place that I notch, I'll go down by 7 inches. Then I'll notch again. So that is it. And let me show you guys how I'm going to cut out my pockets. I have 4 pieces here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to utilize the fabric for my pocket. So I'm going to mark 7 inches here. What's wrong with my chalk? So 7 inches. I'm going to place my hand like this and, you know, kind of create. So you see guys how I achieved the pocket I'm going to insert. So I'm just going to cut this out. So I'm just going to trim this up very well. So now I have my pocket. Now when you want to sew, you will start with connecting your shoulder lines, your two shoulder lines. You connect them together. You connect your shoulder lines like that, connect here, and fold your sleeve 2 inches, like the 2 inches allowance we left for it. You sew it up. Before sewing your sides, you take 1 inch all through. After that, you must have sewn up your sides. You fold your down part of your fabric and sew. After sewing, you iron it. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel before you leave, and also click on the notification bell so that you will be notified each time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.